Imagine a world where every creature is a masterpiece, sculpted by nature itself, from the snow-capped peaks to the deepest oceans. These are the birthplace of incredible wildlife. Here, in the hearts of the untouched wilderness, life unfolds in its purest form, a symphony of beauty and resilience. Witness the shimmering scales of a tropical fish, the majestic antlers of a stag, the delicate wings of a butterfly. Each species a unique work of art, perfectly adapted to its environment. But this beauty is fragile. These ecosystems, their natural birthplace, are under threat. Every lost habitat, every extinct species, dims the vibrant tapestry of life on Earth. We are not separate from this beauty. We are a part of it. And with that connection comes a profound responsibility. These animals, these ecosystems, are not ours to exploit, but ours to protect. They are the living legacy of our planet, and their fate rests in our hands. Our actions determine whether this natural birthplace thrive or disappear. Let us cherish the beauty of wildlife, respect their natural birthplace, and commit to safeguarding their future. Let us be the generation that chooses to protect these treasures, to ensure that the symphony of life continues to resonate across our planet. Because in every creature's gaze, every wild landscape, there is a reason for hope, a reason to act. Let us protect our birthplace, our planet.